Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Miri and today we're going on a beautiful nature walk. So, just to start, we found a few pieces of eggshell and I'll see you if we find anything else. Hi guys, so we've made it to the heathland. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. We saw lots of cool things. Anyways, leave a like, subscribe, and join me on another one of my fantastic adventures. See you guys soon. Peace.